Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by preparing OBS and your microphone so recording is predictable. First, plug in and verify the mic in your system sound panel. Make sure gain and mute are correct. Open OBS, create or select a scene, then add an audio input capture source and choose your device. Once done, label the source clearly so you don't confuse inputs later, and make a quick test recording to confirm levels before moving to routing and advanced settings. Now you'll set levels and routing so your voice sounds clean and records where you expect. In OBS Mixer, speak and adjust the input fader so peaks sit around -12 to -6 dB. Monitor with headphones to avoid feedback. Add filters, noise suppression to remove hiss, a noise gate to cut silence, and a compressor to even dynamics. Make sure the source is assigned to the desired track, S, and set monitoring to monitor and output if you need live playback while recording. Finish by configuring recording options and starting the capture. Open settings output recording and pick format, MKV for safety, then remux to MP4 if needed, bitrate and folder. Do a final test recording. Speak, stop, and play the file to verify clarity and sync. If something goes wrong, first check the mic is selected both in source and system, confirm track assignment, and ensure OBS has microphone permission. Restarting OBS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.